this lesson, we'll dive into the core building blocks of Sheerpower programming: variables, conditionals, and loops. These concepts are fundamental to creating efficient, dynamic applications. You'll learn how to declare and manipulate variables, make decisions using conditionals, and control program flow with loops. By mastering these essential skills, you'll be equipped to write clear, logical, and powerful code in Sheerpower, setting the foundation for more advanced programming techniques. Today, we'll explore key concepts in Sheerpower programming: variables, conditionals, and loops. These foundational elements are essential for building dynamic and interactive programs. By mastering these basics, you'll have the tools to manipulate data, make decisions, and automate repetitive tasks efficiently. Variables are used to store and manage data in your programs. In Sheerpower, you can create and manipulate variables easily. For example, you can store text in string variables using the dollar symbol and print those values directly. Sheerpower allows you to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, and multiplication. This slide demonstrates how to add two numbers and print the result. Arithmetic operations are fundamental to many programming tasks, from simple calculations to more complex data processing. Loops let you repeat a set of instructions multiple times. In this example, we sum the numbers from 1 to 5 using a for loop. Loops are incredibly useful for repetitive tasks such as counting, calculations, or processing lists of data. Conditional statements allow your program to make decisions. The if-else structure checks conditions and executes code based on whether those conditions are true or false. This example determines whether a number is even or odd by using the modulus operator and an if-else statement. Congratulations on completing this lesson. You've now learned how to work with variables, perform arithmetic operations, use loops for repetition, and make decisions with conditionals. These are the essential building blocks of programming in Sheerpower, and mastering them will enable you to create more complex and dynamic programs.